Hi guys, I'm back with another video tutorial on Vim. Today we're going to learn about various windows in Vim. Without further ado, let's open Vim. First thing, when you open Vim, you're given this intro screen, and this is where you basically write your stuff and things. Now, if we were to split this screen into various other windows, Vim let us do that by splitting either this whole screen into horizontal part or vertical part. It depends upon your choice. Let's say someone has a very professional setup, like 2 or 3 monitors, and he's using all the 3 monitors. In that case, this splitting of Vim windows would help him in his workflow. Let's see how it can be done. So Vim provides us with this inbuilt file manager. It's NETRW. So to open this, we will go to the command mode and we hit the command EX. What this EX does is it will act as a file manager for you. So you can use the JNK key to run around with this and open. For opening, you can just press enter and the file is opened. Now let's split the screen again. For vertically splitting, we can use VEX, the same opening the same file manager, inbuilt file manager. We will move up and down, select another file, press enter. Now we have 2 different windows. So to traverse it, you can just use Ctrl W and the dash and keys. For example, L to get to the left window, or Ctrl W and X to get to the right window. Horizontal explore HCX, and you will just get below another window where you can open another file. Let's say I open this new.py file. Now you have 3 windows, each of which can be easily navigated using the same Ctrl W, and you either press K for upper window, Ctrl W L for the window to the right, Ctrl W and H for the left, Ctrl W J to the bottom. This is how you navigate around various windows. I would also want to say something about tabs in Vim. Tab will help you organize your workspace in Vim. You're working, say, a Python code in this present tab. Now you want to open a next tab. You can go to the command mode and hit the key tab new. This will take you to another tab. This tab will basically give you another space to organize your workflow, where you can again open separate windows right in this tab. To open a file, we can simply use the EX command, and pressing the minus key, you can go 1 step back of this directory. Okay, for example, I go to this ESP folder and I want to make changes in my hello world in ESP. Now what I can do is I open this hello world file. I can go to anywhere, any part of this code as per my liking. I can easily populate with multiple windows here using the same. I open this Mexi file, or I go back 1 step back. I open another test input. This is my current workspace, but it is basically focused on, let's say, ESP32. If I want to go back to the previous workspace of my Python, I could simply use Z and D. I'm back in my original or first or previous tab where I had my Python workspace with multiple windows. If I wanted to go to the ESP32 workspace, I can simply use ZT, or I can make another tab as well, and with the same command I can use I can open another workspace. Instead of hello world, I can open examples. I can open okay, ZigBee gateway. Okay, just for a brief intro, I can open this one. I can open this vertical split. I can open this C file. I can swap these two contents with the top content using Ctrl W and capital. Okay, I can easily swap between the two. Ctrl W and L. I can move the current windows. This much flexibility is provided in Vim for playing around with Windows. So Vim lets you manage multiple workspace. Easy to hop between this various tabs. You can simply do C and T. This is the first workspace of Python. Second, this is the Hello World workspace of ESP32, and this is the ZigBee gateway protocol of ESP32. I can simply do GT and various tabs. You can navigate to any part. Okay guys, this much for today's video. I will teach you again something new in upcoming videos. Stay tuned, subscribe, have a nice day. Thank you.